Hey guys, what's up? And today I have 3 amazing tips which will help you get better at COD Mobile. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. So the first tip is going to be changing your simple mode to advanced mode. All you have to do is go to your settings and change it to advanced mode. Now go to your custom layout to remap and resize the buttons. The main difference between simple mode and advanced mode is that simple is going to give you automatic fire, and advanced mode enables you manual fire, which also means that you can shoot faster with advanced mode. The second tip is going to be sliding and jumping. Before I talk about that, you never want to walk or sprint around the corner. You either want to jump or slide, but combining both will be the most efficient. In the second clip, you can see that when sliding and jumping is used, the character moves much faster, which means that you are going to be a much harder target to hit. The last tip is about the training mode. Its main purpose is to help you get better at tracking the enemy with your crosshair, so you don't miss a shot ever again. Another reason you want to use this game mode is to get used to your guns, because every gun in COD Mobile is different.